Hey my fine gentlemen, you want Brazzers Premium for free? Well, today's video shows you how to get a promo code to get free Brazzers Premium, guys. So let's get into it. So the website we need to visit is ogsnags.com. Hop on down to this site, and as you can see, we got Brazzers promo code right there. But if you don't know where it is, see here it says search coupons and brands. Go up there, type in Brazzers, and it should come straight up. So yeah, where is promo code? There it is. So go ahead and press on it, guys. And as you can see, this actually has 38 uses today. 38 people have generated their discount code to get free premium. So as you can see, it is free. Just want to show you guys that. So I'm going to go ahead and press show coupon code, and we're just going to wait for this to load. You can see it says generating, checking that the code is valid, because maybe it's not valid and else I already used it, right? They got to get me a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and press get full code. You can even rate it. Let's give it a thumbs up, but it might, I have to, before you can rate it, you have to get the code. So I'm going to press get full code, brings you over here, and it makes you answer this weird ass question about Amazon. Just do any of these, doesn't matter which one you choose. And after that, you can see it says sign up. So we got to enter our email. So make sure you put in your email, and then they'll send you the code to your email. But before you get the code, you might see something like this that comes through. You enter your email. It's totally legit. I just wanted to show you guys that, because I don't want you guys to like put in your email and then see this and be like, oh, it's fake. Like, no, this is real. This is part of the process. So fill this out, and then you might see a page like this at the end of the deals thing where it says complete one deal, continue. This is just to like prove that like you're good and everything. Like, I guess like, I mean, it's free to do, but since you have to actually do something, you're kind of like, are you really going to get Brazzers 100% for free? Yes, but you might have to actually do some tasks or something. So they got this deal they matched me up for. It was a game. It was called Monopoly Go, and it said I had to reach level 10 on the game. And that was free to do, as you can see, but it's just something you gotta do. It's a one-time process. I mean, it's totally fine for me. I've actually heard of Monopoly Go. I know it's a legit app. So anyway, down here they have this thing that says search for unclaimed money. This cost $1, so I didn't want to do that. So anyway, just press continue. It will take you to the App Store and you download it. And as I said, reach board level 10. But I don't know if you're going to see that one. It's totally fine if you don't. Just do whatever deal comes up here, because you only have to do one. And it is free, guys. And then you'll get free Brazzers Premium.